So how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? A community garden has 15 members in 2001, and each of the next 3 years, the number of members increased by 40% over the number of members from the previous year. How many members were there in 2004? Round to the nearest whole number. So we have 50, then we got 70, then we got 98, and then we get 98 plus roughly 40, and the answer is H. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So we got 50 members in 2001. We need to find out how many members we're going to get in 2004. So let's just go year by year. So 2001, first things first, right? That's 50 members. All right. Now in 2002, well, actually, let me use a different color. In 2002, we are going to get how many members? Well, it's just 50 multiplied by 1.4, because every single year we're increasing by 40%. Now, how to do this fast? Well, I know it's 70, right? Because mental math. But what you could do is 50 times 1.4 is the same thing as, you can just rotate that 0 here. It's the same thing as 5 times 14, right? And that is 70. Okay, so boom. So we got 2002 out of the way. Now let's go with 2003. So 2003, we take 40%, right? Remember, of the previous year. So the previous year is 70, right? So we go in 70. And we also multiply this by 1.4. Now, I know that's 98 off the top of my head. But if mental math is a problem, again, 70 multiplied by 1.4. So move the 0 here. So it's 7 times 14. This is equal sign. 7 times 14. And that is just 98. Okay. Now it's time to start sideways, right? With your peripheral vision, look at the multiple choices. So clearly 70 is wrong. Clearly 98 is wrong, right? Because we're looking for 2004 year, right? Well, actually, let me do yet another color for that. The green color, right? 2004. So in 2004, like, it's between G and H, right? Because this number here has to increase yet by another 40%. How to do that fast? So 98 multiplied by 1.4 is going to be a really weird answer. And it will take you forever to count it. But we're looking for approximation, like round to the nearest whole number anyways. Like, we're looking for rounding, we're looking for approximation. So what's the best way to do it? Since the distance between 110 and 137 using a peripheral vision is pretty large, you just round this 98 to roughly 100 times 1.4, and you're getting a rough answer of 140, which is extremely close to 137, very distant from 110. So G is out, the answer is H. That's it.